All right, everyone, so I'm gonna show you a really cool hair trick on how to get instant volume. I'm gonna be using my sea salt tidal wave spray, and I highly suggest this. And this works for really, really short hair if you want to have like more of a higher poofed up, kind of spiked up look in the front. Whether you're trying to, just get lift and volume in general, but this works great. So I'm gonna do 1 spray, 2 sprays, that's it, of tidal wave. 1 to 2 sprays. Now I want you to watch carefully, as this is where the magic will happen. So I'm just gonna work that product in slightly like this, just to get it kind of absorbed into the hair. And now I'm going to utilize the nozzle. This is my blow dryer that I sell, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. And put this on full speed, full heat, let's go. Okay, that was done in probably less than 15-20 seconds, and we've got a ton of volume. So the key to this is to make sure, now if the hair is so short, obviously, but even with this hair being down to about here, it's still relatively short, but we were able to get a lot of volume and texture in through here, and I think it really did a great job. No product except tidal wave, so if you're looking to get that volume, what I did is I went back and I pushed down like this to create kind of like almost like a little bubble here, so it's pushing down this way, and then what that does is it gives the hair a little bit of a bend and it gives it some lift in the front, as you can see in through here. Now, if I wanted to do this throughout the entire head, I would use the same technique. I would just use tidal wave more throughout the head, but even like this, you want to have a little pieced out texture in the front. Well, there you go. I mean, not much effort. Then you can finish the style with, crafted matte paste or any one of my styling products. If you're interested in using or purchasing any of my products, you can use code YouTube20 at shop.TheSalonGuy.com.